OSS Vibe Coding is a website by Vercel that allows you to access a playground where you can create some interesting apps. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I think this is useful for anyone who, let's say they get a bit, They get a bit nervous by the typical coding interface that you find in any AI-powered IDE. This could be an interesting way just to simplify the whole process and for you to sort of visually see what's going on. Now, for those of you who weren't coding before ChatGPT and you're only used to vibe coding, it can be a bit difficult if you're not using platforms like Lovable and if you do want to go on to specific AI-powered IDEs. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive right into this here. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm just going to click generate a Next.js app that allows you to list and search Pokemons. Okay, great. So we can see the Claude Assistant is working for us. We're using the model Opus 4.6, and as you can see, it's creating a sandbox and generating some files. So this all looks pretty cool. I think what I'll do is I'll just wait for this to be done and then I'll come back. Okay, great. So now this is done. We've got our very own Pokédex. As you can see, we've got 1,300 Pokemon found. So let's take a look at what's been created. So we have the package.json, the CSS, and it's telling us that the Pokédex app is live. So here's what was built: a Pokemon grid, which loads displays of 1,300 Pokemon. You can actually search by name and type filter. It also includes a detailed model and responsive design. Cool, good stuff. So if I go onto here, perhaps I need to extend this a bit more. Oh, cool. You can actually see these Pokemons. These are, wow, this is quite a throwback. Cool. We can search by their specific types. And as you can see, this has all been made nicely and neatly for us. So yeah, definitely check this out if there are perhaps any sort of simple apps you're looking to make. I think the future of app development is platforms that transform intent into custom dashboards immediately. I feel like that's where we're going, really. And this is just a quick example to show you all how quickly that can be done. If I actually want to, let's see if this app is live. If I go onto it now, okay, cool. We can see this is actually live and we can actually start searching. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. I think it's a great way to, I guess, save you the time it would take to normally deploy an app, because usually if you wanted to get an app on a custom website, like as opposed to just on a local host, then it would take a bit of technical knowledge.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
But yeah, I think this is quite useful for anyone who just wants to understand the process and say they've done it and understand the emotions that goes through it. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you're building something at the moment and you would like me to take a look, feel free to send it over. And also, if you've got any sort of platforms you'd like me to demo on this channel, then yeah, feel free to send that over as well. I'm always watching and reading all the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.